Backing up. WhatsApp is an essential way to ensure that your messages, media, and settings are safely stored and can be restored if you switch devices or experience data loss. To back up WhatsApp, open the app and go to the Settings menu. From there, look for the Chats section, where you'll find an option labeled Chat Backup. Tap on this to access the backup settings. WhatsApp allows you to back up your chats to either Google Drive or iCloud, depending on whether you're using an Android or iOS device. You can choose to back up your data manually or set up an automatic backup. If you prefer automatic backups, you can select the frequency, such as daily, weekly, or monthly, to ensure your messages are backed up regularly without needing to remember to do it yourself. When you perform a backup, WhatsApp will store your messages, media files, and call history. However, it's important to note that video files are often excluded from the backup unless you specifically choose to include them. To make sure everything is backed up, check that your cloud storage has enough space to accommodate your data. By backing up regularly, you ensure that even if you lose or change your phone, you can quickly restore your WhatsApp history and continue using the app seamlessly.